We back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today's a very exciting day because Alex Gintani himself is flying from Los Angeles here to Salt Lake City, Utah. We are getting the full F1 exhaust system from Gintani installed on my Lamborghini Aventador. It's kind of step 2 in the process. Last week we unwrapped the car. This week we're getting the SVJ style exhaust from Gintani. And then next week we can finally begin the full carbon fiber Duke Dynamics wide body kit. When this car is done, I would reckon quite possibly maybe it might be the coolest Aventador in the world. If you have never heard a straight pipe Gintani Lamborghini Aventador, you are in for a very, very special treat because the car sounds like a Formula 1 car to 9,000 RPMs. Lamborghini Mercy. You guys probably can't tell, I have raindrops on my windshield, but it's a sunny day. Welcome to the spring in Utah. If you guys saw my last video, I bought my dad's truck in Massachusetts. I just got a call from the truck driver. He's gonna be here on Friday. I can't believe it's already coming back to home sweet home. The build we're gonna do with that truck, nothing's ever been done like it. Like, it is gonna be, you guys are gonna love it. There's just nothing like a Lamborghini Mercy. This car is so good. It is so good. They don't make them like they used to. I know I'm an old man, but do you blame me? I also gotta point out, I just hit a speed bump and I now have 2 check engine lights for the passenger airbag. I guess presumably, if I hit another pothole, will it reset the light? I don't know. It's definitely a Lamborghini day here at Envision. Now, unfortunately, the window regulator on the Murcielago is still, oh wait, kind of works a little bit. It wants to work. I ordered the part, it's like $3,000 and it's gonna be here in a couple weeks. The timing on this is actually incredible. I beat Nate to work and I'm stealing his parking spot right now. That's what you get for being late. I just realized the mullet's gone. I'm assuming Tinder profile views are up.
Would that be 12? They gotta be.
If you can get a Tinder match today, you can take the Murcielago on a date.
How?
One Tinder match, that's all I need.
A Tinder match? Yeah, I got a date tonight.
Wait, do you actually?
I do.
Okay, you know what? That doesn't count. You don't need it. You don't need it. Forget about it. I'm officially starting to leave my mark here at Envision. We have Aventador parts everywhere, and tucked away in the back, we have the Huracan Performante, and we have the Aventador. Now, you guys might remember we dropped off the Aventador last week. We uninstalled the FI exhaust to install the new Gintani exhaust. And ladies and gentlemen, the absolute legend, thank you for coming to visit me. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now, as far as a resume for building crazy cars, like, you have built the most insane cars. Twin turbo F12 for DDE.
Yep.
They're 720S,
yes.
SVJ, yes. Obviously exhaust on this car. Yeah. Twin turbo, what does it look like on one of these cars? Is that possible?
Twin turbo on one of these cars is the best thing ever.
Okay, okay. Now, how much roughly?
Our stage 1 kit starts at $135,000.
What do you guys think? Should we twin turbo the Lamborghini Aventador, $135,000? This exhaust setup, by the way, looks so sick. So Alex, you're gonna be doing the tune on the car today. We're gonna get a startup today, and you mentioned maybe donuts.
I'll try. Yeah. If you want to let me do it, I could do donuts in this thing all day long.
Maybe you could teach me how to do donuts.
That's easy.
The last time I tried donuts in this car, I spun it into a ditch and the car high centered.
Really?
Yeah, and I had to tow it out.
I'll teach you how to do it.
Okay, there we go. Well, we have some good news and we have some bad news. The good news is the SF90. The bad news is Utah is dumping rain now. And of course, all the cars that I could have drove, I drove my most rare one, and it is starting to hail. Come on, Mercy. Let's go. I was going back and forth this morning. Do I bring the Murcielago? And of course, I think summer got canceled maybe here in Utah. I just want to say thanks, Nate, for saying, okay, bye. See you later. Wow. Welcome to Utah. It's not Los Angeles.
No, it's not Los Angeles.
it's like Alex has seen hail for the very first time.
Dude, this shit hurts, bro.
Get all the Lamborghinis back in. Come on, Nate, hurry up. We're trying to protect everything right now. This is crazy. You're already done? I haven't even filmed anything. There's nothing to film.
No,
this guy's a wizard.
I'm not done.
Are you kidding me? How do you work with this guy? Like, how do you film him?
It's the hardest thing to do.
You're too fast.
Basically what I did was I didn't have the software version for this car. So we basically made the software version, and then I just wanted to make sure I tested it in an original form, flash it through OBD2, make sure the car starts.
Basically black magic. Effectively, I mean,
some potion stuff.
You created some software when I was moving my car for 30
so the car
seconds.
starts. That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. That's what we like. That's what we want.
Now I'm going to edit all the maps, make a new file. We reflash it in OBD2, 10 minutes, start the car and go have some fun.
Boom, let's go, baby. Well, 10 minutes later, just like that, the car is tuned, the exhaust is done. We're gonna get the first cold startup with the new Gintani Aventador. Headphone users, I reckon you seize the moment because I already know This thing is gonna be definitely loud. There's something about the Aventador with the rear bumper delete. It looks so good. We definitely need to add a couple turbos. Okay. The Gintani Lamborghini Aventador. What in the world? What did you do to that? That's not black magic. That sounds so good. So obviously we're gonna let it warm up. I am screaming the top of my lungs right now. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna lose my hearing. What in the world? Bro, how do you have deaf? How do you still have hearing? That is so loud. And the way the car is parked is like the perfect echo chamber. That's ridiculous.
Send that guy back to California.
Exactly.
Get him out of here.
You gotta go. Oh my gosh! Wow! What in the world was that? I am permanently deaf. That's ridiculous. What? What in the world? Bro, who are you? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alex Gintani. What? That's ridiculous. Well, we're going for our first little inaugural test drive. I have lost my hearing and I've lost my voice thanks to this man right here, but there's an underpass about a quarter-mile away, so we're just gonna, you know, say hi to the rest of Salt Lake Valley. Well, without hesitation, wait for it and go. What? That sounds like a Formula 1 car. What? An exhaust and a tuner. This car is like transformed. Obviously, we have to switch on for round two. Go. What? Oh my gosh. You know what? Take me to jail. I don't even care. This is the greatest sounding car in the world. What? I'm not even like sensationalizing right now.
No, it's not.
That's ridiculous. Okay, we gotta find a longer straightaway. So good. This car has been transformed like 10 years. It shifts so fast, and that's got to be what, 50, 60 more wheel horsepower?
About 60 more.
That's ridiculous. If you don't have this setup and you have an Aventador, what are you doing? What have I been doing? This car is crazy. We got to do spin class, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we got to find a parking lot. You gonna do it right here? Spin class? Let's see it, baby. Let's see it. Oh, traction control. Okay, we gotta get lost. As much fun as it was, we gotta get out of here. Let's see, there we go. All right. I apologize, you guys got a little bit muddy, but
I just got
oh, you just got
sprayed everywhere in the car.
That was so sick, though. Okay, we're good. By the way, we got permission from the construction workers here, so we're good. I think just for good measure, maybe, probably just one more acceleration, just because we can. God bless Lamborghini, God bless the V12, and God bless Alex Gintani, bro. Thank you so much. This is crazy. I let Alex drive my car for 17 seconds and it is caked in mud. What happened?
I like caking stuff.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. I appreciate
problem,
everything. The car sounds absolutely ridiculous.
I'm glad.
Whatever you did to it, I don't understand it, but I love it. So thank you.
I'm glad you love it, man.
Thank you for coming to Utah, and I got to come see you. You got the twin turbo SVJ.
Yes, sir.
And you're building a top-mounted turbo 812 super fast. I'm just kidding.
No. Bottom mount, you got
Bottom mount. Okay, bottom mount twin turbo 812 super fast. You could do that.
No problem. I have one, so we could.
Damon and Dave, R.I.P. I'm just kidding. I just created maybe some drama I didn't want to. You guys know I love Damon and Dave, but thank you.
I'm down to do it though.
Okay, well
When the new shop's done.
we'll talk
about
we'll
it.
talk off camera because twin turbo Aventador would also be really, really cool.
Yeah.
We got a lot.
You got to do both.
Yes,
There you
yes.
go.
I've learned to say yes. Dude, thank you. Appreciate
Thanks,
it.
brother.
My ears are still ringing from that Aventador. That thing is so deafeningly loud. I wish you guys could have been there to hear that car in person. I can't even imagine it in the garage, like the ultimate echo chamber. So the carbon fiber Duke Dynamics kits, they're gonna start on that next week. Opening the door in the Murcielago, the squeak echoes. As soon as one squeaky door gets fixed, another starts to squeak. Also, the car is absolutely filthy. I am physically exhausted. I have lost my voice. My ears are still ringing. My face is covered in mud. Just another day with Alex Gintani. I know you guys have seen this kit way too many times sat here in the upstairs living room. This should be the last time you guys ever see it here on camera. This is why we had to do the SVJ style exhaust, is because the exhaust exits on this new replacement carbon fiber bumper are obviously center mounted. But this kit with that exhaust, like I said, the Aventador, might be the coolest in the world. Maybe not, but it might be. And I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Introducing for the first time my Gintani straight piped F1 Lamborghini Aventador. We have a lot of fun things on the horizon. So my dad's truck should be here on Friday. I mentioned that earlier. We need to get an exhaust for the Murcielago. We're gonna be cutting up the Nissan Z. The carbon fiber build starts next Monday as well. So a lot on the horizon, but on that bombshell, today's video, the Veyron. Today's video is over.